everyone, it is Couponing with D, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time here. This week I did deals on all 5 of my cards, so there will be different videos showing you different things that I purchased, but some of them are repetitive, others aren't. Let's get started with this first card. I this week did the Dove deal. Buy one shampoo and conditioner. They are 2 for $9. I paired mine up with the CRT that I had for 2 off of 2 for a total of $7. The Airwick that I purchased, they were on sale this week for $5.99 each for a total of $11.98. I had a digital $3 off 2 and a buy one get one up to $6.50. Those two paired together for a total of $8.99, and then I had 30 cents on the 2% back rewards, and my subtotal for this was $2.69. Now some stuff I did end up submitting over to coupons.com on the app, so I did get money back for those items, and I will put those up as the video is playing so that you can see where I did do good at and where some people think maybe I didn't do so good. The Tom's deodorant, that is the only deodorant that my husband uses. Those are not on sale. They are $6.49 a piece this week for a total of $12.98. I had a digital $1 off 1. I had a CRT for 30% just for you. I'm sorry, 32%. And that totaled to $3.84 for a total of $4.84. My out-of-pocket was $8.14. I submitted it to coupons.com and got back $1. New out-of-pocket was $7.14. So this was a deal number 1. All right, now this was my second card. On my second card, I did the laundry deal, and I did not get the extra bucks automatically printed off, so they had to force print them. I gave the cashier the receipt. She looked at it. She says it's only off by $1.04, so I'll go ahead and print it. This week, the laundry care deal was on a spend 30, get 10. I picked up the Downy fabric softener for $6.99. The Charmin was $10.99. The Tide Pods were $5.49. The Gang Flings were $5.49. And then I added in Simply Tide for $3.79. But let me tell you why I did that. For whatever reason, I thought my CRT was 5 off of 30, and it wasn't. It was a 5 off of 25. So that's why it's very important to look at what you're doing, but it's okay. I mean, I'm gonna use the stuff anyway. So for that total purchase, I paid, well, it came up to like $32.75. Used a CRT again that was 5 off of 25, and then I paired it up with all digitals, $1 off of the Downy, $1 off of the Tide Pods, $1 off of the Charmin toilet paper, and $1 off of the Gang Flings. After coupons, my out-of-pocket was $23.75, and I did get back the 10 extra bucks. I will post it up on the screen. I also did the Airwick deal. I repeated that on every card. Excuse that noise, someone outside with them loud cars. I picked up 2 Airwicks for $5.99 each, totaling $11.98. I had the $3 off 2 digital, the BOGO digital up to $6.50, which took off $5.99, and then 32 cents off that 2% back. Out of pocket was $2.67 for that. Again, I purchased 2 Tom deodorants. I had a $1 digital. I had the 2 off of 2, and I had a 40% off 1 item that gave me $1.83 off. Totaled out to $8.15, and then I submitted this receipt also to coupons.com and got $1 back, making it $8.15. On this one, I also picked up the 2 Dove shampoo and conditioner for $9. I paired it with a 2 off of 2 CRT, and then I had a $2 off hair care, and then I had 53 cents in 2% savings that attached also. My out-of-pocket was $4.47. I did get the 3 extra bucks. Now, let me say this. I submitted every single receipt that I purchased the Dove on to Fetch, and I got back a total of 3,104 points for buying 2 at CVS. I don't know if everyone else had that same deal on their Fetch cards or Fetch accounts, I'm sorry, but just make sure to check, you know, prior to going to the store so that you'll know exactly what it is that you need to pick up. With Fetch, you don't have to scan items. They have a list of partners, you know, brands that they're partnered with. Ibotta is always smart to just, even if you know it's the product, just scan it to make sure that it is the product so that you don't end up having, you know, purchase the product and then got home and scanned it and it tells you that it doesn't qualify, and then you got to fight with customer service. Ibotta customer service is the worst customer service that I have ever dealt with because they take forever. And you could have made the same purchase on separate receipts and scanned them, you know, different days to get those monies back, and they'll act crazy about that too. They've done it to me. There are a lot of people that don't really want to deal with Ibotta because of all their strenuous rules that they have, but you know, there are others that love it. So it just depends. I pick my battles and I choose not to pick those with Ibotta. All right, so this was card number 3. On this card, I picked up 2 of the Dove Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner for $9. I had 2 75-cent IPs and I had a CRT for 2 off of 2. My final price was $5.50. Submitted it to to Fetch, and I got 3,104 points. I repeated the Airwick deal. I have picked up 2 of the lavender Airwicks, and I had two digitals. One was $3 off of 2, and the other one was the BOGO. Then I had 65 cents off in the 2% savings. My out of pocket was $2.34. I also submitted that to Ibotta, and I think that gave me 86 cents. Next is the Colgate. This Colgate deal has given me such a headache because I honestly believe that in the store I thought I had the right items. Once I got home, I said, no wonder everything didn't come out right. Anyways, I'm going to tell you how the deal should have gone, and then I'm going to tell you how it actually went. I was supposed to pick up 2 of the Colgate totals for $4.99 a piece, equaling $9.98. When you buy 2, you get 5 extra bucks. Then I was supposed to have 2 of the Colgate, either the toothbrushes or the toothpaste, at $7.99 each. Buy 2, get 7. And then 1 of the Colgate Max at $3.99 for a total of $29.95. Then I had a total of $12 in coupons, which were a 5 off of 25, a $1 off 1 for the toothpaste, a $3 off 1 for the toothpaste, and a $1 off 1 for the toothbrush. My total after coupons should have been $17.95. Rolling $12, I should have paid $5.95. That is not how it went. Reason being, the Colgate on the far right, which I thought was the correct one, but it was not. When I looked at my receipt, it says $9.29. I about dropped dead. But after coupons and everything that attached to it, it says I paid $1.43 for it. Anyways, how it came out to was, again, that item was $9.29. The toothbrush was $7.99. I do have the Colgate Max at $3.99 and the other 2 totals at $4.99 a piece. Well, I ended up paying $7.87 out of pocket. I got back $12 in extra bucks. And the reason I got back the $12 in extra bucks is because 5 of it printed with no problem. And because I thought that that was the toothpaste at $7.99, because that's what the tag said in front of it. But either way, the cashier didn't go check. I thought it was, and she force printed the 7 extra bucks. I will also show you that. My final items that I purchased on this account were the 3 Neutrogena. This week, I think it was if you buy 3, get 10. Each Neutrogena pack, you had to get it in the makeup aisle, because that's the one that it was, the deal is attaching to, the 21 count. So they were $6.99 a piece. I ended up with a $4 CRT And then the cashier with fast fingers, I had a $6 extra buck, which came down to $5.97. She used $16 in extra bucks. I only paid taxes $1.60, but I did get my 10 extra bucks back, so it's all right. I'm not gonna gripe about it because I shouldn't have got 7 extra bucks for the toothpaste, but I did. So I was happy either way. So this is card number 4. On this card, I purchased 2 of the Airwick warmer refills, and they were $5.99 a piece. This time I only had the BOGO coupon for $5.99 and the $3 off too, so I paid $3 out of pocket. Then I also picked up one of the Tom's deodorants at $6.49. I had the $1 off one digital, and then I had a 32% off, paying $3.73 out of pocket. On my 5th account, I picked up 2 Airwicks, $11.98. I had the 3 off of 2 digital, the $5.99 BOGO, paying $3, $2.99 out of pocket, and of course I submitted that as well over to FET. 5 cards is a lot of cards to manage, and especially if you have a full-time job. I work my 8 hours a day, and then I have to try to squeeze couponing in where I can while I'm working. If not, I gotta do it on my day off, or just like force myself to go in there after work when I really don't want to do anything after work. I want to go straight home. So again, some of the stuff was repetitive. You know, some of the stuff had high out of pockets, others didn't. I paid everything off with Fetch gift cards. I had $55, $60 in gift cards. So that's how everything was taken care of. I will be posting next week. I'm gonna try to get into Kroger, and I'm gonna try to get into Publix because I need to do groceries. So I will have those videos up for you next week. Of course, CVS is also going to be up because CVS is always pay. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.